All right, hey Mechanicsville crew, we're here at the Piedmont 300. We're here with DJ Stevens, and he's with the Screwed Up Buck. What class are you running in, DJ?
We actually ran in the Pro Farm class.
Pro Farm, okay.
Yep.
Do you have a class coming up, pulling tonight, or you've already set your pull tonight?
We've actually just got finished with our class. We actually came in first for a few minutes, but then some other tractors come in, and so we ended up in about fourth, and so that's just the way it goes, but we done better than we done last night.
Hey, that's great, that's great. We like featuring these classes. This is something new for the Mechanicsville. We're normally circle track and drag racing, so we try to give all forms of racing a venue at Mechanicsville. Now, what kind of tractor do you have here, DJ?
We actually have a John Deere, it's a 4455, and we actually call it the Screwed Up Buck. And the reason we call it the Screwed Up Buck is because my uncle, the actual owner, had a spinal cord injury, and so this is his spinal cord injury symbol, and he's also had a kidney transplant. So he has been very blessed to be able to get back to pulling and through his trials throughout life, you know. And so that's where we got the name. And of course, I've been screwed up my whole life, and so it kind of fits us both perfectly, but that's where we got the name and the logo from.
What kind of power plant are you running, if you can tell that?
We're running a 466. So our class runs a 466, and then we all have the same turbocharger. So it's what they call a box turbo class. What that is, everybody buys it from the same place. It's the same thing. We're all moving the same air. Now, how we move that air and how we put it to the ground is what differentiates the tractors, I would guess. Some guys are making more power than others. Some guys are better drivers than others. And so that's kind of where we're at and what we're doing.
Okay.
And this organization is what we call the entry-level class. And so you can start here, and then you can work your way up to 4,000 or 5,000 horsepower.
Right on, right on. Well, we thank you very much, DJ, for taking time to talk to the Mechanicsville Nation. And join us at Mechanicsville, theMechanicsville.com. That is the place where you find everything Mechanicsville. That has our YouTube channel link. It has our Amazon affiliate links in there. It also has a box in the lower right-hand corner where you can chat with us. If you have a project or you're out racing like DJ and his family, feature it on our channel. Give us a link
right
there,
here,
buddy.
Mechanicsville.com, right here.
That's right. Peace.
Big man.